Look at this. This is a series of unfortunate events. Because he's a little stink. Now that my cat has stopped trying to attack me, nope, he's coming back right now. He's so scary. I know he's not the biggest animal, but he's also getting kind of fat. But he's scary. You're scaring me, Herman. Stop. Go. Go. Stop. Did you guys see that? I finally shut my cat out of the room, so hopefully it goes a little bit smoother this time. He's scary. You guys don't understand. When he plays, it is for blood, not for fun. And then this little angel was laying in a pile of clothes. I like how you burrowed underneath as if that's your covers. Why, you're so cute. Aw, you're cute. Thank you. What a good boy.